Hi teachers, I'm going to do a quick tutorial video of NWEA map skills so you can load the skills for your students to practice. So since they've already taken the test, it already knows what skills they're lacking in, so this is really good because it helps them. Once they've completed the task, they can be assigned new things and be tested on new things as well. So from the main screen, you can get into NWEA. Go to your login, click on Map Growth, log in here. So from here you'll go to Map Skills. It takes a second to log in. So this is my home page. This shows me all the skills that my students have been working on. This is math. So right up here you would want to click on, if you wanted to change it, you can go up here and go to Language Arts. So like the NW is needs work, P is that they're passing, and then the green is that they've mastered it. So the goal is to get everything in green. Click on Assignments. Now up here, I've assigned all my students everything, and as they start completing work, things will show up under Ready for Resources. So if I click Language Arts, none of my kids are ready for Skill Locator because they've done everything. They're not ready for Resources because I've already assigned them the work. They're not ready for Mastery Check because I've assigned them the work. If you go down, same thing, I can check Math. So it's the same thing because I've already assigned everything. Vocabulary, same thing. Reading, same thing. So let's try something in Math. Okay, so for Math, if you look at this first student right here, Abdul Samad, he's accessed something that I've assigned to him. So right now I can't do anything because he's at least started it. He has to go in and finish it. If you look at this next student, let's go down to Adrian. So I've assigned him a locator, so to find out where he's at on equivalence and properties. And it's past due, but a lot of things will show up past due because it's really hard for the kids to get on. So unless you're specifically using it every single day, every single child, it's hard. And you know you can only use it on the desktop computers. But if you put it into your rotation, typically everybody can get on. But I do assign my kids a lot of stuff. But I can just click this reassign button and I can make sure Adrian does it again. So I'm just reassigning it to him. Other than that, once they've completed, and these are all at zeros, you've done your job, everything is done. So then you would just here come up to, I find the class dashboards a little bit easier to understand than the student progress. The student progress doesn't work very well, and that's an issue I've brought up with IT. But I typically use class dashboard. And so if you look here, so base 10, so 32. So these kids right here need work with doing base 10. So like Leslie, down here, Ivan. So that just gives you a good idea of how to at least get it set up. And once they start doing it, then you'll get more progress. Hope that helps.